Hello all, welcome to the channel. Myself Joe, and with me I have D. So, D, am I audible?
Hi. Yes, yes, you are
Yeah.
audible.
Bro, let's see today's question. Okay. So, what's the question? Adding spaces to a string. Okay. Let me read the question for you all. What's the question? We have given a string. Okay, and we are also given an array. Okay, so string is s. And you are given an array name spaces. So, what you have to return is a modified string. Okay, and what is the modification you have to do in the string is if you are given an let's take an example. You have given an array, and the index of it is 8. Okay, so what you have to do is zero based indexing it is. So at the eighth index, okay, before 8 index you have to append a space. Okay, it has been written here where it is. Each
Okay,
space should be inserted before the character at the given index. So before 8, which is h, you have to insert a space. See, here it is inserted space. And also you have to do the same thing for 13. So 13 is, I guess, m. So before m, you have to also insert a space, and same we have to do for 15 l. We are inserting space. So basically you have to modify the string and just return it. Okay, so you got the question,
okay.
D.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, so what should we do in this case? What should be your approach? Like, what are you thinking? What's your intuition?
We can use hash set.
For what?
We can store indexes of space, and we can append or we can create a string using that one by one.
Okay, okay, so I guess what are you saying is like just store those indexes in a set 8, 13, and 15, and whenever, and reverse the string, I guess. And whenever you get a
Huh.
uh, index like 8, you get
8,
8.
13, and
Just
15.
just append it.
Just add the space on the answer
Okay,
string.
okay, okay, so let me just try it. So what are you saying is taken has set. Okay, okay, integer set is equal to new has set. So why you are taking this? To store the spaces indices in it.
Huh.
Okay, so
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
store it. Okay, so I am traversing the spaces array and adding spaces of like every index in the set. Okay, so I have added it. Now what you have suggested is traverse the string. Okay, and let's take an answer string also, which we will return. So let's name it and answer. And so we are taking string builder here because it is efficient in Java to use string builder as compared to string, as
Okay.
it doesn't take extra space, as string is immutable in string, also in Java. So so what's your approach is like, this is the important step. If like set dot contains what uh, I, like current index. So let's suppose the current index is 8 while traversing the string, and yes, 8 is there in the what set,
Set.
as we have put it. And if 8 is there in the string, not in the spaces array, so what we'll do, we will append just space before h. So what we will do here is cancel dot append space and plus s dot char at I, which is h, for the taken example. Yes, and in the else case, like if the index is not, like if let's say l 0 is the index and l is not, 0 is not present in the 0 is not present in the array or the set, so we will
Mm-hmm.
just append it directly as dot
Okay.
char at I. Okay, yes, this is actually a good approach. But what I am concerned about this approach is it's taking like space
Space.
of everything. So can we come up to a solution which is not taking the space. And here we have what is what we are doing, we are converting the string builder to string, and answer is a string builder. Yes,
Okay.
so let's run this. It should get accepted. Yeah, it's getting accepted, and if we submit it, yes, it is getting
Oh, it is
accepted.
getting expected.
So
Accepted.
yeah, so what I am thinking in this approach is like, don't take this hashtag thing, and just
Okay.
take an variable j. Okay, in j is equal to 0, initialize with it, initialize that variable with 0, and now this pointer will uh, traverse this spaces array. Okay, so as it's given in the constraints, all the values are strictly increasing, so they are in order. So what we will do is, so let's suppose we are at L index. Okay, so this will go in else case and we will append directly it. So likewise for every index we will do, and when h comes, okay, so now the index is 8. So what we will do, instead of comparing this, we will compare I is equal to spaces of j. So like now, what's the value of j? It's 0. So
0.
so
We are at index 8. Or we can
we
say
are
we
at
are at
index
8 element. 8
uh,
element.
yeah, we are at index 8, and now 8, which is I, 8 is equal to 8, like spaces of 0, which is 8. So it's equal now.
Uh,
So what we'll do, we will append space before it, and h should be appended, and now we will move that pointer j to the this like next element.
to
J will
13. Okay.
increase to 1.
It
Yeah,
will be in
so in the
13. Hmm.
yeah, so next time when 13 will come, okay, which is m, the same thing will happen. Space will get appended before m, and the pointer will then increase to 15, and the same thing then happens every time. Now the issue in this is like, when the 15 will come, like the third index, we need to be careful about, like j is less than spaces dot length, like j is
So
not
it
going
will not
beyond.
go,
Hmm,
or
because
we can say it will not go after the array
yeah,
limit.
yeah, 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 so we will not get the
Hmm.
array index out of bound error, which is very
Hmm.
irritating. So yeah, so yes, this should work. Let's try to run this. Yeah, so it's working. It's
Okay.
submitted. Yeah, it should work. So this is a good, like good question, like not a medium, like medium, and 70% acceptance. So yeah, it's like easy. Yes, but
Okay.
nice to learn.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this approach is taking only big of one space, and obviously big of n time complexity. Yeah. So
Uh,
yes, so you have anything
so
to
I want to ask, can you just implement it using string? Means
yeah, like we can implement it using string also, if
so
we
that
do.
I think that it will not give time limit exceed error because I think
Yeah,
I
let's
don't
do
know.
it.
We will check it once.
But the memory will be like bad because it's not efficient in Java to use string for these things. But let's try. Obviously it is bad to use, but yeah, let's try. Okay, so yeah,
Uh,
so plus system concept is, yes, but I guess it will take a lot of time because string is immutable in Java, as I said. Yeah, so we are getting time limit
okay.
exceeded
Uh,
because we are using that. So let's use string
so
builder only.
okay means
Hmm.
we should use string builder.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Mm.
So it was a nice discussion. Okay, thank you everyone for watching the
So
video.
by the
Please
way,
hit a
thank you
subscribe.
for explaining the solution to me.
Yeah, same here. I also got that hash shade or explanation. It was a good explanation. Okay, thank you all for
But it
watching the
was
video.
like
Please,
brute force.
yes, yes, it was brute force. You're right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you everyone for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button.